Most people think Wyndham points are only useful for roadside hotels and budget travel. But here's the surprise that catches a lot of travelers off guard. You can actually use Wyndham points at several Las Vegas hotels, and in some situations, the value becomes much better than people expect. But here's the problem. A lot of travelers waste huge amounts of Wyndham points in Vegas because they don't understand how the system works. And in 2026, that mistake can become expensive, fast. In this video, I'll explain whether you can use Wyndham points in Las Vegas, which types of hotels typically participate, how redemptions work, the smartest ways to maximize value, and the biggest mistake Vegas travelers make with hotel points. And later, I'll show you one strategy that can dramatically improve the value of your Wyndham points during expensive Vegas weekends. So let's get into it. The short answer is yes. You absolutely can use Wyndham points at Las Vegas hotels. But there's an important detail most beginners miss. Not every Las Vegas property gives the same value for your points. And this is where things get interesting. Las Vegas hotel pricing changes constantly. One weekend, a room might cost $60. The next weekend, that exact same room could jump to $300 because of a concert, sporting event, convention, or holiday. That volatility creates opportunities. And smart Wyndham users take advantage of those price swings strategically. Now, let's simplify this with an example. Imagine Alex plans a Vegas trip during a slow weekday period. Hotel cash prices are low across the city. In that case, using Wyndham points may not be the smartest choice. Paying cash could actually deliver better overall value. But now imagine Jake books during a massive event weekend when hotel prices explode. Suddenly, redeeming Wyndham points can save hundreds of dollars. That's the key difference. The best Vegas point redemptions usually happen during high cash price periods. Now here's where most people fail. They redeem points emotionally instead of mathematically. They see free hotel and immediately spend points without comparing the actual cash value. That's a mistake. Always compare cash price, resort fees, taxes, and point requirements. Because sometimes a free hotel night still includes additional fees, depending on the property and booking structure. And honestly, Vegas is famous for hidden hotel costs. Now in a minute, I'll show you the specific type of Vegas trip where Wyndham points often become dramatically more valuable. But first, let's discuss why Wyndham even works in Las Vegas at all. Wyndham has partnerships and participating properties connected to the Las Vegas market, including relationships that give members access to certain casino and resort ecosystems. This expands redemption opportunities beyond what many travelers initially expect. And honestly, this surprises people because Wyndham's reputation is often associated with road trip hotels, rather than casino destinations. But Vegas changes the equation. Now here's where it gets interesting. The value of Wyndham points in Las Vegas often depends more on timing than hotel category. That's unusual compared to many other destinations. For example, a mid-tier Vegas property during a major convention can become incredibly expensive overnight. And if the points pricing doesn't increase proportionally, your redemption value improves significantly. This is exactly how experienced travelers extract outsized value from hotel points. Not by redeeming randomly, by targeting pricing imbalances. Now let's talk about resort fees because this area confuses many travelers. Some Vegas hotels charge mandatory resort fees even on award bookings, while others may structure redemptions differently. This is critical to check before booking, because a room that appears free can still come with meaningful additional costs. And this is where most beginners lose value. They focus only on points and ignore total trip cost. Smart travelers always calculate the full picture. Now let's discuss another hidden advantage. Vegas hotel prices can become extremely unpredictable near major events. Concert weekends, Formula 1 events, fight weekends, large conventions, holiday weekends. These periods can create massive spikes in cash hotel rates. And this is exactly where Wyndham points can become surprisingly powerful. Because saving even one expensive night in Vegas can offset a huge amount of normal travel spending. Now here's the mistake people make again. They use points during cheap weekdays when Vegas hotel rates are already heavily discounted. That usually gives weak redemption value. Las Vegas is one of the few cities where hotel cash prices fluctuate dramatically almost every week. So timing matters more than most travelers realize. Now let's talk about another important point. Availability. Popular Vegas dates can sell out quickly for award stays. This means flexibility becomes extremely important. Experienced travelers often search early and compare multiple dates before redeeming points. And honestly, that patience creates much stronger results. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Some travelers combine Wyndham rewards with casino loyalty relationships and status benefits. This can occasionally create additional perks or booking opportunities depending on current partnerships and promotions. And this is why experienced Vegas travelers pay close attention to loyalty ecosystems. Because stacking benefits creates stronger overall value. Now, let's answer another common question. Should you save Wyndham points specifically for Las Vegas trips? In many cases, yes. Especially if you travel during expensive periods. Vegas can produce some of the strongest redemption opportunities because hotel prices move so aggressively during major events. And that volatility creates windows where points become unusually valuable. Now let's discuss the easiest strategy for maximizing Vegas redemptions. Simple. Use Wyndham points when cash hotel rates are extremely high, events are driving prices upward, or last-minute bookings become expensive. Avoid wasting points during cheap weekday periods, low-demand seasons, or heavily discounted cash rate windows. That single rule dramatically improves value. Now before we finish, let's address one final misconception. A lot of people assume hotel points are mainly about luxury. But honestly, in Vegas, practical savings matter more. If Wyndham points save you several $100s during an expensive weekend, that's real value regardless of whether the property is ultra-luxury or not. And this is where many travelers finally understand how rewards actually work. Utility beats prestige. Now let's answer the big question directly. Can you use Wyndham points at Las Vegas hotels? Yes. Absolutely. And in the right situations, Vegas can actually become one of the best places to redeem Wyndham points efficiently. Especially during high-demand weekends when cash hotel prices surge dramatically. So here's the bottom line. Wyndham points can absolutely work in Las Vegas in 2026, but timing and redemption strategy matter enormously. The smartest travelers compare cash prices carefully, avoid low-value redemptions during cheap periods, and target expensive event weekends where points deliver maximum savings. That's where Wyndham points become surprisingly powerful in Vegas. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite Las Vegas hotel you've ever stayed at. And if you want, I can also break down the best Wyndham point redemptions in Vegas for maximum value this year.